If you've ever wondered what these golf club sleeves are about, I'm gonna show you. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I bought one of these golf sleeves here. You may have seen these online. They're not that expensive, $5, $6, $7 from various vendors, but this one is a putter sleeve, which means it's 2-inch in diameter. Now, I've kind of seen pictures of these in bags, and you might understand that the philosophy on them is just to help declutter your bag, make everything a little more convenient. But I wanted to show you this in a little more detail. First of all, we get this plastic sleeve here. You can see it's actually pretty flexible. I can kind of squish it, but it seems pretty robust. I mean, you could definitely bend this, break it, crack it, but that makes it very, very light. Now, I want to show you on this end, it is unfinished. On this end, the plastic is kind of rolled over, so it has this little bit softer end up here. This is the end I think I would have up at the top, because then I don't have to worry about kind of this sharp edge hitting a golf club grip or something like that. But I also want to show you that what it came with is this little plastic cap in here. Now, I have seen these caps before in like mailer tubes to kind of cap things off. But one of the things that I was thinking here is that I would probably put this back in the end here so that when I put it in the bag, I don't have to worry about dirt falling through this or something and then getting into my bag. I can just have it capped off like this. You can obviously take this off, but it's also going to just help hold the shape of it, keep it nice and round. You're going to have to really press that in. It's a pretty tight fit. I already pulled it out. I'll probably slam it on the ground to get that back in there. But if you have a putter like this one and you have a jumbo grip on it, just like I do here, what's going to be really nice is that this 2-inch diameter sleeve is going to be more than enough to handle it. And that's going to allow you to put it in your bag and pull it out without catching on other things, the dividers in the bag, other golf grips. And while that's not a really huge problem for me, it's one of those things where, especially because I use jumbo grips on the rest of my irons and clubs, you know, they can kind of interfere with each other. And so it's just going to give you a nice clean look. Now, I just want to show you that I can just drop this right into this bag like this, and the length they give it to you, I don't know, I'd say that's maybe 34, 35 inches because it's just peeking out of the top there, and my club is nicely separated from everything. But if I go ahead and pull it out, it's not getting caught up on anything, riding on anything, and it goes right back in. And so having these for all your clubs can actually really make your bag nice and organized. Now for me, it was more about just getting my putter in and out of the bag a little bit easier, but this $6 or $7 tube here is actually pretty nice, and if you want to, you can take a box cutter and chop off the end here so that the tube sits a little lower than the top of your bag so that it's even a little more hidden, but pretty cool. You have to be a little anal retentive to use this, but anal retentive is my middle name. So if you want to pick up one of these golf club tubes for your putter or the more narrow, smaller tubes for the rest of your clubs, I'll put links to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter. Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
You ever wondered what these golf club sleeves are